Of particular concern to the opposition is the situation regarding the Jamaica Railway Corporation, the JRC. The Minister has informed the public that the JRC and other entity have, in the normal course, applied to the Trade Board and have been granted a license to export scrap metal. The opposition is seeking clarification, therefore, on the following. 1. Why does the JRC, having been granted a license, appear on the list of 15 entities facilitated by the Customs Department that purportedly does not require it to have a license? 2. Who was the actual exporter? The JRC or Kerbitrion Limited? What is the relationship between these two entities? 3. If Kerbitrion is an agent of the JRC, does that not violate section 3.2b of the order? 4. If Kerbitrion is not an agent of JRC, were proper procurement procedures followed for the sale of the public assets of the JRC? Simply put, is this a contract that ought to have gone to competitive tender under the government procurement rules? 5. Have the proper accounting procedures been put in place to ensure that the proceeds of the sale of public assets are deposited in the public coffers? 6. Under the current system of facilitations being pursued by the government in continuing the export of scrap metal, what safeguards have been put in place to ensure that the actual export does not include scrap metal purchases from illegal domestic sources? 7. If, as the opposition suspects, the current exports are being done by agents who were exporters under the previous regime, what then would be the purpose of the ban? Is the current system just and equitable to the excluded exporters? 7. 8 rather, sorry. Are regulations still being considered for the industry? 9. What plans exist for meaningful consultations with stakeholders, including the opposition?